Installing the Fabio shower cabin. First of all, it is very important that the designated space where the shower tray is placed is completely levelled. Mark the mounting points of the wall profiles. It is very important that the wall profiles are completely vertical. Make the mounting holes. Secure the frame. Slide the fixed glass walls into the profiles. Place the casters in the rail profile. Install the rail bracket to the top corner of the glass. Install the rail profile. Attach the mounting bracket to the bottom of the fixed glass. Hook the glass door in place. Install the watertight slats. Install the handles. Finally, make the necessary sealing with silicone.